It's me Pawan from pawandakal.com, and in today's video we'll talk about how to make money with TikTok. Now, we are not just talking about making couple of $100 from TikTok. We are actually talking about making $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month from TikTok. So this is a proven strategy that lots of new people are using to make money with TikTok. And I have learned this strategy from two training, that is 15-day online business builder challenge and 3-day freedom breakthrough challenge. I'll provide those links in the description. If you want to check, you can check it. So what most people are doing is they have joined an affiliate program. So no matter whatever products that are sold online has a affiliate programs. So affiliate program means if you are able to sell that product, then you will receive up to 50% commission. For example, if a product's price is $1,000, then you will be eligible to get $500 commission if you are able to sell that product. Now this may seems like, oh, how can I sell $1,000 product? But there is a particular strategy that are being used by lots of individual by learning from these two training program, and I'll explain it to you so that in a basic way so that you can understand it properly. So what people are doing is they are joining an affiliate program for the product they want to promote. They simply search on Google product name and affiliate program, and there will be a list of affiliate program that they could join. And once they join that affiliate program, then they will get a affiliate link. Now they got their affiliate link. Now the second step they are doing is they are creating a opt-in page, two-step opt-in page. So for example, in one page they are putting interesting information. If you want to learn how to lose weight, then I have a secret thing to tell you. Just submit your email address below, and when people see such kind of, not exactly that, but such kind of curiosity based headlines and description are wrote in that opt-in page means a kind of simple website where people can submit their email address. And once they submit their email address, in second page they will tell, so this is the secret, okay, you need to do this, and if you want to learn more about this way to lose weight, then you can click on the button below and you will see a video from someone who will explain it to you in more better way, and people will click on that button and they will reach to a affiliate product page, and they will watch that video or whatever it is in their in the affiliate page, and if they are interested they will purchase that product. And if they purchase that product, then people will, though that person who is promoting that product will get 50% commission. Now most people will not purchase in one time, but initially they have captured their email. Now what these people will do is they will send email, valuable email in day 1, valuable email in day 2, maximum up to 5 days these kind of emails are sent by using a proper strategy. Okay, these emails are made with proper strategy, and if people start to read that email, then they will most likely purchase that product. And in that way people are doing affiliate marketing by using TikTok. And you can also do it. You simply need an opt-in page, you need to join an affiliate program and get your affiliate links. Make sure the commission that you are going to get is higher. And then what they are doing is in TikTok, and what to create in TikTok. So first is you need to build an opt-in page and then get your affiliate link and place it in the opt-in page, and then make 5 email sequence which you can send in 5 days. So, and in TikTok what kind of video they are making is they are making the video that are related to that particular product. So for example, if someone is promoting a weight loss product, then they are making videos related to weight loss, what they should eat to lose weight, about keto diet, about ketosis. Such kind of content are being posted on TikTok with their TikTok profile. And furthermore, to make even more money, they already have the email address of the people who have submitted their email address in the opt-in page. Now after 15 days they send another email by promoting other product, by saying that this weight loss product is new, it have recently come and it have got some best results for lots of people who were not being able to lose the weight, and they will promote that with the email. And again, after 15 days they will promote another product. They will, in such cycle, they will keep on promoting lots of other affiliate product with the email list, and they are being able to make 5,000, 10,000, $20,000 per month. It may take time. You need to develop some skills that are not so hard. It is simple skill. You just need to build an opt-in page. You just need to make another page where you can put your affiliate link, and then you need to learn to create the email sequence. If you did this much, then you can consistently make money for long term without even owning the product, without even paying money to Facebook ads, Google ads, or such kind of ad platform. You can drive traffic straight from your TikTok to your opt-in page and start to sell those affiliate product in a genuine way, not in a fake way. Okay, don't promote some kind of scammy product. And if you want to learn about this strategy in a simple way, then I would definitely suggest you to join 15-day online business builder challenge, where Dave Saab will teach you how to implement his exact strategy on promoting lots of affiliate product in a simple way. But 15-day online business builder challenge is not available for all the countries. So if your country is banned or it is not allowed to join 15-day online business builder challenge, then I would suggest you to join 3-day freedom breakthrough challenge. And both of this training program will cost you $7 only, which is less than a price of coffee, and you can easily invest that much for yourself in order to make consistent income online on a monthly basis. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll keep on bringing more this kind of valuable video for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.